I threw everything he broke into me downstairs.
I was in my bed, sleeping. He just comes upstairs and just throws a ¿cómo se dice una plancha? Iron at me.
Incident: domestic battery sibling, assault, location, Chicago metropolitan area, Illinois, jurisdiction, Illinois state law. Parties: adult male suspect 2122Y, 02 adult female victims, 1 minor witness present in the residence.
Hello. What happened?
My brother, okay, he's here already. Okay, I'm just trying to catch my breath.
Catch your breath. Put the coat on. It's cold. What happened? Your brother.
We were inside our house. He comes upstairs to my room talking about, shut the up, you guys are making hella noise. I was in my bed, sleeping. He just comes upstairs and just throws a ¿cómo se dice una plancha? Iron at me. He didn't directly throw it at me, but he threw it at me.
Okay.
Then he went downstairs. My sister came home, and I told her what he did, and then
he ended up breaking she had glass lights on her room that he broke all of them.
How old is he?
He's like 21, 22.
Then he had someone downstairs with him. He's not allowed to have anyone here with him because my parents are out of the country. They're in Mexico, and they specifically told us not to have anyone over because they're not here.
Did he actually, hang on, besides breaking stuff, did he actually hurt anybody?
He hit me and my sister.
When did that happen?
Right now.
Oh, no, alright, so you say he threw an iron,
Yeah.
he broke
First
something.
he threw an iron, and then he went back downstairs.
He went back downstairs.
And then my sister's cleaning up the glass, and then he comes upstairs.
Yeah.
He starts hitting her. And then my other sister comes downstairs, and he starts hitting her too, and he has both of them on the ground in the kitchen.
Where's the other sister?
She left, I'm not sure.
She left somewhere?
How
old is she?
She's 20.
So just him and his friend are in the house?
His girlfriend or whatever the it is.
So there's 3 people in the house?
No, just their girlfriend and him.
Just his girlfriend?
Yeah.
Gennaro, this is the police. You need to come talk to us, buddy.
That's supposed to be there, I guess.
That should be fine. Where's he at? He went to his friend's house? Alright, well, we're gonna search anyway to make sure you're not lying. Check in this car.
Which way did he go if he had an argument?
I don't know, he just walked out with his friends.
Walked out where? Which way did he leave the room? He went up the stairs.
Okay. Do you have your ID?
No, I don't have it. I need my birthday.
Do you have any ID? Passports, anything? I don't care what.
Anything with your name on it? The credit card, debit card, anything? You don't have anything.
So what you're saying is
My
that,
wallet is not on me.
okay. Do you have a driver's license?
Not on me, no.
No, but do you have a physical Illinois
Yes.
license? Okay, so the
That's
information
fine.
that you're about to give me and I'm gonna pull up on my computer is gonna have your picture on it, right?
Right, but then you saw him walk up the stairs.
Yeah, when that was going on.
Right, and then he was just gone,
Yeah.
and you don't know where he
I
is.
went back to sleep and then I woke up again. That's when I saw you guys like what the fuck's going on.
Has he called or texted or said anything about what's going on or where he is? Can you text him and figure out where he is?
I did text him, he hasn't answered me.
Can you try to call him?
Yeah. That's fine.
So, what we're gonna do is we need to talk to him about, allegedly he beat up his sisters.
Are they pressing charges?
They don't, it's not discretionary.
It's not, it's just-
He's gonna go to jail for domestic battery. Now, whether he'll be found guilty is up to the court.
Yeah.
Right? Depends on if they go to court at all, if they have any signs of injury or anything. But all 3 of them, the 2 girls and the kid, are all saying the same thing.
Yeah.
That he freaked out about they were making too much noise or something and went upstairs to confront them. And this whole situation happened. So, if there any reason we can't find him tonight, then there's going to be a warrant out for his arrest. So it'd be easier for everybody for him to just say, this is what happened. I'm not saying that he's going to be found guilty. That's up to the court.
Yeah.
But for right now, based on the information that I have and all the shit that's broken upstairs,
Oh, that was bad.
right? Well, I have 3 people saying one thing. You were sleeping, and I have him who ran away from the incident. So if he's innocent, where is he? Right? It doesn't make sense to run away from something like that. Okay. I need to talk to you about what happened with your family. How did the whole thing start?
So me and my sister got home. We haven't been talking to him for a minute because he's just been having this generational like trauma going on with the house, like where he just brings in girls and like the girls don't work and like me and my sister are struggling in the house. So we came home today and I came to come with my parents, her parents' friends, because they were going out of town.
Yeah.
So I guess my sister was home alone, and I guess according to him, she was making too much noise.
Okay.
And like I guess he went up to her room and like told her stuff and like got a
Iron.
an iron and like I guess hit her with it. So then I got home and I called my dad and I'm like I got home and like she was crying hysterically. I'm like, what happened to you? And she's like, he hit me with the flat iron. And I'm like, why? And I'm like, she's like, because I was making too much noise. And I'm like, you're not even making too much noise.
Yeah.
So I go into my room and I have lights all over my room around because I don't have a light installed in the middle.
Yeah.
So I go in and like all my lights are like broken and like my glass is full of glass. My bed is full of glass and my floor is full of glass. So I'm like, what is going on? So I'm like, what is your problem? I was like, what is going on with you that you're over here hysterically breaking up my room? And I'm like what's wrong with you? So I'm like, I threw the whole everything he broke into me downstairs because I'm like, that doesn't belong to me.
Right.
Like, why are you doing this to me? Like, I have my little brother up with me. Like, we're taking care of my little brother.
Yeah.
Like, my little brother is traumatized by that guy. And, like, we've tried so much to protect him from him because he's psycho. Like, he, like, breaks out of anything. Like, we've tried so much and, like, we just don't talk to him. And,
Has
like,
the police ever been called before for
no,
him?
like, we're just so scared to call the police.
Yeah.
Like, I know I'm a victim of domestic violence, but I've never had the freaking balls to call it, you know, because it's my own dad and my own brother, you know, like, how can I call it?
Yeah, but you guys should
And
be
I'm
putting
in
up
college,
with this
you
kind
know,
of
like,
crazy
I'm gonna be a teacher and it brings me, you know, motivation every day, but you know, like until this year I realized that I'm a victim of domestic violence, then it has to stop, you know. It's been going on since I've been 5 years old, and until now, like I'm in college and like it's like no, like it's a no, like I can no longer accept him, like I'm stepping ground, you know.
So as far as when you got involved, did he hit either one of you, push you guys, or do anything of that sort?
No, up until this one point, like he's threatened us that like like he wouldn't hesitate to put a hand on his sisters.
Were you guys on the ground at any point during the altercation? Like he had you guys pinned on anything, or?
So I came downstairs and I was sweeping everything, and out of nowhere he just came with the broom and started like whipping with it. Like I don't know if you can see the bump right here, but he started whipping me with it. And then my sister came into hand and he started doing the same thing. So we were both on the ground, like just like fighting hysterically with our feet and hands, like trying to get him off. And I don't know, I just honestly just ran out of the house and came here because this has been my only space that I've gone to.
You want to grab a photo? Do you know where he would go?
No.
Cause
I'm telling you, we don't pay attention to him because of the amount of shit that he causes our family. Okay. So like,
do you know if he had any friends or family in the area that he'd like easily walk to their house or something?
No, like the friends, honestly, the friends in Division. But other than that, no. Like Division is honestly a bad neighborhood. He's 22.
You hang out with Division.
Do you have any pictures of him?
I don't have my phone. Yeah.
Do you have any?
Does he have like a Facebook or something?
I can try to find it. I'm not sure. Just give me 1 second.
Did he hit you anywhere else? Did he hit you anywhere else?
No, I just remember him like beating me with the broomstick, and I just like was using my hands and.
On your arms. What is that?
Here.
What is that?
I don't remember.
What is that underneath your arm?
Probably from the same thing. Trying to fight him off. Because we
Your
were
hair
by
out of
the
the way?
kitchen.
No, I just want you to move your hair out of the way. I want to see him back. And get blanded.
Did he try choking either one of you?
No. He was just beating me with the broomstick. And he got to my head.
Okay. Let me see this one.
Alright, so the long and short of it is he's going to jail. The second we make contact with him, he's going to jail. He's going to have to answer for what he did. Okay? It's not up to, and I want to preface this by, it's not up to you guys. I know you have mixed feelings about wanting him to be in trouble or not. Okay? With domestic situations like this, especially with a clear sign of injury, there is no discretion. It doesn't matter if you want to press charges or not. We have to arrest him. It's mandated by the state of Illinois. So if that alleviates any responsibility for you, it's our decision, not yours. Okay? So if we can't find him tonight, there's going to be a warrant for his arrest, and it's going to be out until he gets arrested.
Okay.
If he comes back at all, or if he comes here, or anything, call 911 immediately. Do not open the door, do not talk to him, do not engage with him. We deal with him.
Yeah, we just need to make sure we get the girl out of the house because
she's already arranging transport. We've already tried to kick her out.
The back window downstairs is unlocked. It doesn't have a lock, so he can get access to get in whenever he can. Because the door, the window downstairs isn't locked.
Doesn't help that he's got the cameras in his room.
Yeah.
He's the one that has access to the cameras.
Yeah.
Like all the cameras are downstairs, so he's the one that
saw
sees all the
We
cameras.
went down there, so we saw that.
Yeah.
Do you have any questions about what's going on, or what's going to happen?
You don't have your phone
I'm
on you,
just
do you?
like, what do I do? Like,
So you don't have your phone on you?
no. Like, I'm trying to figure out college on my
What's up?
own.
Do you have any of the physical cards?
For things.
Like,
I
I'm
do
literally
just-
trying to figure out life on my own. Like, trying to avoid, like, this domestic violence. It's hard, you know? Like, it's really hard. And I've gone through it with my dad, but I've never really put a report on it. Like, my college professor has told me to put a report on it, but it's really hard to put a report on it. But I know I'm a victim now, so.
So I have a
This,
question. If
scan
and
that
when
with
he's
your
found,
phone or
how is
with
that
her
going to work
phone.
out after?
Sorry?
It's a fake
If and when
website.
he's like found, how is that
Just
going to
click
work
on
out
it,
for
and
her
it gives you
after?
domestic violence resource.
Then how will that go for her? Does she have to
Anything
go
and
back and
everything
make
changes
another
laws.
statement or anything?
She'll have to appear in court.
She'll have to do okay.
Yeah. She
Eventually,
gets arrested as soon as court date comes. You will be called by the state's attorney's office to come and testify.
Okay.
and in the meantime, we have an in-house social worker that's going to call you and help you kind of navigate this whole thing.
Okay.
Whether you need her or not, she calls you anyway.
Yeah,
So you might as well
that's
talk to her, okay?
No, yeah.
Alright,
Thank you so
if
much.
you need
Staying
anything,
here tonight, I'm assuming.
Yeah, I'll save it.
Sister knows that.
Yeah. I called her.
if you need anything, call 911, or if you just have a question, call that number. It's a non-emergency number. They're going to route you to our dispatch anyway because it's after hours. But you can always call, okay?
Thank you so
Try
much.
to have a better night. We're going to go find them,
Cheers.
okay?
Have a nice night.
Applicable statutes 720 ILCS 512 to 3.2, 750 ILCS 60 over 401, 625 ILCS 511 to 502.15, 725 ILCS 5 over 110 Safe to Act. Under 720 ILCS 512 to 3.2 domestic battery occurs when a person knowingly causes bodily harm or makes physical contact of an insulting or provoking nature to a family or household member. Illinois law mandates arrest without victim consent when an officer has probable cause and a visible sign of injury is present. This removes all officer discretion. 725 ILCS 5 over 112 A30. Officer, on scene. It doesn't matter if you want to press charges or not. We have to arrest him. It's mandated by the state of Illinois. It's our decision, not yours. Key principle. The charging authority rests with the state's attorney, not the victim. Victim reluctance does not bar prosecution. 3 consistent witness statements constitute independent probable cause. Suspect fled the scene prior to officer arrival. Under 725 ILCS 5 divided by 107 minus 2 probable cause plus flight equals grounds for issuance of an arrest warrant with no expiration. Officer, there will be a warrant for his arrest active until he is apprehended. Flight from a domestic battery scene is independently admissible as consciousness of guilt evidence. People v. Harris Illap.
So to fill you in kind of on how this process works with domestic arrests, you have to go out to county, okay? I'm not gonna bullshit you, I'm not gonna tell you, oh, you're gonna get out of here in 10 seconds. We're gonna go up, another officer is gonna drive you out to county once we get done just processing you, so we just gotta do fingerprints, picture, and then I gotta give you some forms, okay?
And like I said, I can't defend myself in any way yet until...
You can, I'm gonna let Schultz handle all that follow-up because he was the one that was there at the call. I wasn't there, I was off, so I don't know anything about it. I will have him get in touch with you on, he's not back till Monday, so I'll have him get in touch with you on Monday to figure out the rest of it. I'll take a couple pictures, it's of your eye,
Yeah.
right? Okay. I'll take a couple pictures of your eye. Do you have any other marks on it? Okay. Yeah, I'll take pictures of all of it. Then we'll kind of go from there.
I don't know if you know anything about it, but like I said, he said that they are going to process me through and that bail, it's not, well, I don't know if it's up to the judge or up to him, but he said that hopefully Saturday they can let me out.
Yeah, you'll see a judge first thing in the morning. There is no more bail in the state of Illinois. So if a judge, do you have a criminal history or anything like that? If a judge looks at it and says, yeah, you're able to be released, you're not, a flight risk, you're not a danger to a specific person, like you're not gonna go out, buy a gun and go kill someone or anything like that, the judge is gonna most likely give you a pretrial release, which is basically the same as if you posted bail, there's just no bail to be posted anymore. You just get out with your signature.
Okay.
That just says, your signature, all it's saying is, I'm gonna go to court. That's all it is.
Alright, so
Okay?
I'm sorry. So he's gonna get taken to county then for the night? And then, would I be able to get any information or get a phone call when I can show up or anything? 'Cause
For show up to,
like for court or like for when he gets out.
well, for court, are you talking about bond court or the court for the actual arrest? Bond court, I don't know if they're allowing anyone in to bond court. Typically, if they do, it's for the victim to come in and kind of plead their case on why the person shouldn't be released pre-trial. Sorry, I'm still trying to figure out the new wording with all this stuff, so I don't want to speak too soon. It'll be, I want to say it's like 8:30 in the morning, 8:30 or 9ish,
like you
something
said,
like
the
that.
judge is going to be the one to dictate.
The judge is the only one that can say, yes, you're released, or no, you're getting held at county for whatever. What they will do, if you are released, you will get conditions of bond, which basically state, most likely you can't have contact, is it your sister?
Yeah.
You can't have any contact with your sister. That means no email, no text, no Snapchat, nothing in person, no phone calls, nothing through a third party. So you cannot reach out to his sister on your behalf. Simple stuff like that. It may say you can't go back. Do you live at that address? Okay, so there may be other stipulations or different stipulations that say you can't have contact of threatening or harassing nature because you guys live there. So it's not one of those things where, yeah, you can up and take off and just go stay at your house. Your house is where your sister lives as well. So
that's where they're going to decide.
They're going to have to figure out the conditions of bond. Let them know, because I have seen judges do it before, that they don't know that the people live together, and they tell you, you can't go back there. Now what are you supposed to do? Let the judge know, yes, we reside in the same house, that's where I live, If you don't have another place to go, make sure the judge is aware of that so that they know how to work their pretrial conditions for you, okay?
Sounds good.
All right. How did you guys get here?
She drew.
Okay. Yeah, there's no real reason to stick around unless there's something that you want to give her that you don't want to go out to county with
No,
you.
just
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know, I've never done it before.
So she-
You'll be allowed phone calls at county. You got your phone on you?
No, she has everything. I
Okay.
only grab my ID, and that's it.
Okay. If you want to bring your cell phone bring it with unless you know everyone's numbers off the top of your head to call for a ride in the morning, you may want to bring it with, but that's up to you.
Yeah.
You want to bring it with?
Well, I'm just gonna call her, so that's the only person I could really.
He has to memorize. He wrote down the number.
Okay, you know her number for sure. Okay. All right. Well, like I said, there's nothing really for you to stick around for because he's going to have to go out to county. All right?
Sounds good.
All right.
For my part, like for me, should I be there at county? You know the address for it, like that place, if in case they let him out. Okay.
I'll say it's a big old complex.
Yeah.
I don't know what door you get released from or anything like that, so I don't want to tell you,
No,
go to this address. It's one building, but they got a couple different addresses for it. So, yeah, I would say just give her a call as soon as you get out so that she knows where you're at, because I don't want to tell you, yeah, he's going to see a judge by 8:30, and then you're last in line. You're not seeing a judge till 9:15, and she's just sitting around.
And if he gets a district attorney, it'll be free for him. And he can ask for it whenever he feels like it.
That is all at the courthouse. District attorney stuff, that's all courthouse. So I don't know any details behind all of that.
I'm just asking a question. I'm sorry.
It's all right. Don't be sorry. I would say I know it's not the way you wanted to start the weekend, but yeah, or the year.
Yeah.
But it's kind of the situation that we're in. So.
Public Act 101 to 652 abolished cash bail statewide. No monetary amount may be set as a condition of pretrial release. Release is determined solely by judicial risk assessment. Under 725 ILCS 5110-6.1, a judge may detain pretrial only if 1. The offense is a qualifying detainable offense, and 2. No conditions can mitigate the risk to persons or of willful flight. Domestic battery class. A misdemeanor first offense is not automatically a detainable offense, unless the state files a verified petition for detention. Pretrial release is the default. Officer, the judge will most likely grant pretrial release. There is no bail to be posted. You are released on your signature alone, which means I will appear in court. Upon pretrial release, the court imposes conditions under 725 ILCS 5110-10. In domestic battery cases, a mandatory no-contact condition is standard. Scope of no-contact order: no email, no text, no calls, no Snapchat, no in-person contact, no third-party relay on defendant's behalf. Violation equals new criminal charge 720 ILCS 5 divided by 12 minus 3.8. Co-residency complication. When victim and defendant share the same address, the court must be explicitly notified, or the judge may unknowingly order the defendant away from his own legal residence. Officer, let the judge know you reside at the same address. If no alternative housing exists, the judge must structure pre-trial conditions that account for co-residency. Under 750 ILCS 60/214 Illinois Domestic Violence Act, an emergency order of protection may also be sought by victims independently separate from criminal proceedings. Count 1. Domestic battery bodily harm, 720 ILCS 512-3.201, Class A misdemeanor. Count 3. Domestic battery physical contact, second victim 720 ILCS 512-3.2A2. Count 5. Unlawful possession of cannabis by a driver 625 ILCS 511-502.15. Lesson 1. Mandatory arrest. Visible injury removes all discretion under Illinois law. Victims cannot drop charges at the scene. The state, not the victim, is the charging party. Lesson 2. Safety Act Impact Post. 2023 detention requires an affirmative state petition. Without it, defendants with no prior record will likely receive signature release by the next morning's bond court. Lesson 3 No Contact Order Scope. Any indirect contact, including through family members, constitutes a violation. Third-party relay is explicitly prohibited. Violators face separate Class A misdemeanor charges. Lesson 4 Co-residency Disclosure. Defendants and victims sharing a residence must proactively inform the court at bond hearing. Failure to disclose may result in a residence exclusion order that creates immediate homelessness. Lesson 5 Victim Rights at Bond Court. Under the Illinois Rights of Crime Victims Act ILCS Art. I Section 8.1 Victims have the right to be heard at bond hearings and to advocate against pretrial release.